The motivation and self-development niche is highly popular in 2023. Several Instagram accounts and YouTube channels have taken advantage of this and generated significant profits. So in this video, I'll demonstrate how you can create 100 short videos about motivational quotes using only AI tools. You won't need to do much effort. And note that this method can also be applied to any other niche you prefer. These quotes shorts are doing really well. The one thing they all have in common is a video in the background with subtitles. We've already explained how to make these subtitles and add a background video. So in this video, we'll create a simpler version of these videos to generate 100 of them instantly. So you can just schedule them to be posted 2 or 3 times per day for the next month and see if you get any results. The tools we will be using in this video are Canva and ChatGPT. I'm sure you're familiar with them, so let's get started. First, let's head to ChatGPT to generate the quotes. Ask it for 30 motivational quotes about your niche with order of the saying in a table, and he will generate them in like this. But we have some modifications to do. Ask it to remove the number section of the table so you are only left with the quotes and the author. Next, we will go to canva.com and click on Create New Design. Then search for YouTube Shorts so Canva provides the correct dimensions. The first step is to get a background for our video. Go to the Elements section, search for Videos, and click on See All to explore more options. You have the freedom to choose anything, whether it's related to your niche or not. In my case, I'll select a sky background, but take your time to find one that suits you better. Now let's flip it to match the Shorts format and scale it to cover the entire screen. The next stage involves adding the quote text. Click on Text, add a heading, and return to ChatGPT to copy the largest AI-generated quote. Change the color to white, for instance, and adjust the text to fit perfectly by modifying the font and font size. Now let's include a watermark to prevent unauthorized use of our videos. Add a new text layer and replace it with your account name. Position it appropriately, change the font to your preference, and reduce the transparency to avoid viewer distraction. Moving on, let's add the author's name. Create another text layer and copy the author's name from ChatGPT. In the case of this particular random quote, it's the Lizard Boy. Adjust the font style and size to match your video's aesthetic. To enhance the visual appeal, let's add some elements. Navigate to the Elements section, search for Quote, and click on See All Graphics to choose the best options. Incorporate some elements and customize their colors according to your preferences. Finally, let's add animation to the entire composition. Begin by clicking on the quote text. Select the animation you prefer from the animate option and repeat this process for each layer. Now we are going to use the bulk create to generate the shorts. Go to apps and search for bulk create. Then click on enter data manually and delete the table. Next, copy the table we generated earlier as shown on the screen and paste it into the bulk create. After that, click on Done. There was a mistake. Let's repaste it. You need to select the first section first before pasting. Now let's link the elements with their equivalents. Right-click on the quote text and click Connect to Data, then select Quote. Do the same for the author. Afterward, click on Generate, and Canva will generate the shorts for you, as you can see. I forgot to make the shorts shorter, so if you think 20 seconds is too much, you can reduce the length. Now let's add some music. I suggest that you import music from your device that matches your niche and is trending. As for me, I will just use random music here in Canva. Make the music fit one short so we can duplicate it. After that, click on Ctrl+D and repeat until you finish all the shorts. Now let's export the video. Go to Share, and then click on Download. You can use up to 4K if you have Canva Pro. Then, check the box that says Download Pages as separate files, and click on Download. After you've gotten the short videos onto your device, you have two options. You can put them on YouTube as they are without changing anything, or you can make them even better by adding voiceover on top. To do this, use a text-to-speech tool. One tool you can use is 11 Labs. Take the quote you want, put it into the tool, and pick a voice you like. Then do this for each short video before you upload them on YouTube. And that was it for this video. Leave a like and subscriber for more content, and comment because I respond to every comment. Watch this video if interested.
Light. There's roadblocks. Don't let nothing stop you, 'cause we ain't stopping.